currently on the hunt for a dead tree so we can test out a chainsaw. Of course, we've got permission first. Of course. We wouldn't do this otherwise.
Look at all that shit.
Mate, look at all that. Disgusting, innit? People just leaving stuff around.
Was 160 bucks. It's off eBay.
Oi.
I want a really ridiculously big chainsaw for no reason. I don't need an expensive one, actually. I don't chop many trees now, so
You don't chop enough trees to have a better one.
you got a $160 Chinese chainsaw. Think it works.
You just gotta give it a test.
We've only started it twice. I just died.
Actually, instead of trying to pull it, we're going to attach rope so we can pull it with the car. Make it a little bit easier for us, at least. So we'll just attach some rope, give it a pull, hopefully it comes undone. Because we're experts, we're just gonna wrap this around that tree notch there on the back of his tow ball. I'm actually going to move this just in case. We've got good news. We cleared him out. Oh shit, look at that hole. There's a bit of a hole there, but hey, it's clear. We just moved it for fucking nothing. Look at it. I mean, we got to get it onto the car somehow now, but it's off. It's free. Look how thick this batty is. God dang.
Wow. Really hit me in the teeth.
I was worried about my balls.
Shit like this is easy when you got Josh with you. Oh my back is so arched.
That chainsaw back there, she works. The chain's a bit loose at the moment now, but overall, pretty successful.
$160.
160 bucks off eBay for that baddie. What to say, pretty good, pretty good. Well, out of 10, what would you rate it?
I don't know. Considering the price, maybe 6.
6 out of 10. Pretty solid.